guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Again, depends on what time you are watching. This is Ron again from wahpinas.com, wahpinas.com. That's our website. Our channel is wahpinas. So, we're doing a quick unboxing of a smart bracelet. Now, according to the box, it can measure heart rate and blood pressure. Yung heart rate is not a problem, ano? Most bands that out there can measure, diba? Here's one of the first bands that I had. It's from Runtastic's Orbit. I don't remember if it does the heart rate, pero I'm pretty sure the steps and all that stuff. I have this. I forgot what name is. Ano tong watch mo, May? It's a tracker. I forgot the name. It's not me that uses this, it's my wife. I bought this in Lazada or Shopee. This is an Android watch. It also measures stuff. Meron din ako before nung Lenovo. Nag-breakdown in less than a year. Meron din ako nung Mi Band. Yung isa sira na, mga 4 months na tumagal. Yung isa nawala ng wife ko. So I'm back to normal watches. So since I'm old, I saw this in Lazada. It's retailing at 799 pesos. It's called the Blood Pressure Bracelet Fitness Tracker Smartwatch SPO2H Heart Rate Monitor. The reason I wanted to buy this was meron siyang blood pressure monitor. Okay? It's on OEM brand, dynamic heart monitor, fatigue monitor, blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen tracker, sleep, pedometer, sedentary, ginagawa din ng karamihan. Calorie calculation, mileage, ginagawa din yun. Bluetooth, fine phone, IP66, waterproof, is normal. 0.66 OLED touch display, calls. Okay, so everything about it is almost normal. Almost the same as a normal smartwatch. So yan yung specifications of the watch. Okay. So ang pinaka-kicker dito, meron daw siyang blood pressure monitor, which I think I need. I'm too old. Okay, the battery capacity is 8 milliamperes. Okay. This color red, there's two colors, the blue and the black, or it says may blue and black. But I bought the red one because it's cheaper. Oh, kamukha siya. Kawig sila, no? Pero ito was the same design, pati yung strap. Ano ba tawag dito sa watch na to? I forgot. And looks like the charger is the same as the other one. Okay, so let's see if it's charged. I don't think it's charged. Okay, let's try plugging it in. So we put it like that here. Okay. 1 second lang, guys. We're gonna try to plug it in. So okay, I have a power bank here. This is a waterproof power bank by Promate. Okay. Ano ba binuksan? Yeah, one of this. Okay. So let's see. Turn it on. Power it on. Let's see. Since charging, there's no factory charge. Okay. So let's see if it's gonna charge the other watch. Hindi to Fitbit eh. Ano ang pangalan nito? Looks like the pins are the same, but I don't think it's charging. Oh, I have an extra one. It's charging this. Sino man nakakaalam ng relo na to, please let me know. I forgot the name. It's there on my wife's phone. Phone yung app, no? So anyway, yeah, I know I'm stupid. So it's charging. We'll come back later in a little while when it has a little power. I'm really excited to test out the blood pressure monitor kasi I'm getting old. We need to make sure that we're okay. Okay, thanks guys. Bye. Hi guys, we're back. Dun sa manual may QR code. Download it. You need to have a QR code scanner. And it's gonna ask you to download the Wear Fit na app, Okay, so 7 minutes pa. Excuse me. So here's the watch. Nag-on na siya. Meron siyang plastic, So you can remove it. So it's protected your skin. So as you can see, yan yung kilocalories burned. I don't know what the SpO2 means. Alam ko police, SpO2. EEHD, sleep, count, timer, fine phone, okay, steps, okay. So, kilocalories. So, ito yung manual. So, basahin natin siya na mabilis habang we're downloading, ano. Okay. So, yun, may time mode, sports record, records the steps, calories, heart rate monitor will automatically measure the present heart rate, okay. Blood oxygen monitor, the device will automatically measure the blood oxygen situation in the whole point. Ooh, you can man or APP. Blood pressure monitor, the device will automatically measure the present blood pressure situation. May sleep, then call reminder, okay. So, yan po yung kayang gawin ng watch daw. Okay. Still downloading. Hi guys. Yan, finally natapos na, no. Ayun yung logo niya. Ayan, no. Okay. It's called Wear Fit. Wear Fit. We're opening it now. Okay. So, link to your health band. We're gonna link it now. Allow. It's via Bluetooth. Okay. Search. Basta kanina pindot kasi may pindot. Paghintay. F1, I guess. That's it. Okay. Wala namang ibang nakon. Allow. Be careful sa mga ina-allow nyong permission, no? Pero since it's a smartwatch, you need to allow it kasi may call and text reminder siya, di ba? So, okay. So, yan po yung itsura ng app. Okay. So, it's connected na daw. So, you see the time changed. It's 7:36. I'm doing this now tonight. Okay. So, ito yung oxygen, I guess. Okay. This is the BP. I don't know what the beats per minute, oxygen, and blood pressure, I guess. Okay, so, blood pressure daw to. Okay. So, we're gonna take a real-time reading. So, okay. Gumanon daw ako. Okay. So, it's not working. Okay. So, yan. Nagbabasa na siya. Wow. 124/78. Legit ba to? Okay, we'll check later. We'll get a real sphygmomanometer later and do it. We'll compare the blood pressure monitor against a real sphygmomanometer when we do the review. No? I'll borrow from my aunt. And I know we have one of those digital blood pressure things here in this house. I hope it's still working. So we need to find it. It's somewhere here. 76 beats per minute. So anyway, so that's it. It works. Look like it works. There's the watch. Okay. So I'm pretty sure most likely if someone calls his number, lalabas ito. So it looks good. Yeah. So, thanks guys. Bye.